Hi, welcome to my AdMth channel. Today we do a function mastery practice. Let's see the questions. Given fx equals to ax plus b over cx plus d, find f inverse x. Okay, let's find f inverse. Given fx equals to ax plus b over cx plus d. To find f inverse, we let y equals to ax plus b over cx plus d. And we made our x as subject. So therefore, ycx plus dy equals to ax plus b. Okay, ycx minus ax equals to b minus dy. So x equals to cy minus a equals to b minus dy. And x equals to b minus dy divided by cy minus a. Therefore, f inverse x is b minus dx over cx minus a. Okay. Now we proceed to part A. Using the formula f inverse obtained, which is this one, determine f inverse for each of the following functions. So we no need to redo the inverse function. We just compare. Okay. Let me show you how to compare this. So we compare the first one, fx equals to x plus 8 over x minus 5. From here, as comparison, A, you compare this fx with this fx. Compare these two first, right? So a equals to 1, b equals to 8, c equals to 1 again, and d equals to negative 5. So therefore, f inverse x is, okay, you use this one, okay? Put ABCD into this one, right? So fx equals to b minus dx over c x minus a, which is 8 plus 5x over x minus 1, and x not equals to 1. So we proceed to part 2. fx equals to 2x minus 3 over x plus 4, and x is not equals to negative 4. Again, we use the same method. We use the same method to find the inverse function, right? Okay, so part B. Compare again. fx equals to 2x minus 3 over x plus 4, right? As comparison, we compare with fx first. Okay, as comparison, a equals to 2, b equals to negative 3, c equals to 1, and d equals to 4, right? So therefore, our inverse function is b minus dx over cx minus a, which is negative 3 minus 4x over x minus 2, and x are not equals to 2. Now proceed to part B. If c is not equals to 0, what are the conditions on A, B, C, and D so that f equals to f inverse? Again, we use comparison method. Let me show you how, right? So from fx, equals to ax plus b over cx plus d. And our F inverse is b minus dx over cx minus a. So now we compare these two, ax plus b with b minus dx. In order to make it same, okay, a must be equals to negative d. Once a equals to negative d, fx will equals to f inverse because b is positive here. Alright, so therefore a equals to negative d. Okay, so that f equals to f inverse. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.